Ville always wanted to be a rock star. But this is so much better.
Been a lot of action, to be honest. So 8:30 registration, people started coming over. We're just barely ready to start talking to customers.
For me, the biggest value has been the amount of networking that we've got. We've got a lot of partners that we potentially could have projects ongoing with.
This is also the world premiere of Healthy and Beer.
I'm leading our energy harvesting and our ambient IoT journey here, developing new chips as well as adding these features to our existing chips. So that's why I'm here today at Wirepas Open discussing our exciting product.